Beneath its beautiful marble clouds lies a world so hostile that even light itself gets trapped. Imagine a planet that eats radiation for breakfast and crushes space probes in seconds. When viewed through a backyard telescope, Jupiter appears serene, quiet, and peaceful. It shines like a bright, majestic jewel floating gracefully in the dark night sky. But behind this mesmerizing facade lies the most violent giant in our solar system. At first glance, Jupiter looks like a peaceful, swirling marble in the dark void. Pictures from NASA show gorgeous bands of gold, copper, and white floating effortlessly. But do not let this serene cosmic painting fool your eyes for a second. Beyond those beautiful clouds lies a hellish, dangerous kingdom of extreme physics. A place where gravity acts like an inescapable trap and storms swallow entire worlds. Welcome to Jupiter, the giant, terrifying monster hiding right in front of us. If you tried to land on Jupiter, you would face your first nightmare. There is absolutely no solid ground for your feet to stand on here.
Jupiter is a gas giant, made almost entirely of hydrogen and helium elements.
As your spacecraft enters the upper atmosphere, you glide through thin, freezing fog. But as you fall deeper, the sky around you begins to rapidly darken. The clouds shift from familiar whites to eerie shades of deep orange and brown. Temperatures plunge to minus 140 degrees before reversing into heat. There is no solid surface to hit, only a continuous drop into pitch-black oblivion. The deeper you go, the denser the gas becomes, turning from fog into ocean. But as you fall deeper, the sky around you begins to rapidly darken. As you fall deeper, the weight of the giant planet begins to press down. On Earth, sea-level atmospheric pressure is comfortable and keeps us alive. On Jupiter, pressure increases exponentially with every single mile you descend. Within minutes, the atmosphere around you presses with the weight of thousands of oceans. Steel, titanium, and carbon fiber would bend like paper under this immense load. Human technology cannot survive deep inside Jupiter. Probes are flattened in brief moments. The pressure grows so intense that it forces gas molecules into state-defying liquids. You are not just falling through space, you are being compressed completely. The crushing force behaves like an inescapable, planet-sized hydraulic press. Thousands of miles below the cloud tops, Jupiter reveals its strangest horrors. The pressure reaches millions of times Earth's atmospheric standard down here. Here, hydrogen gas is compressed so tightly that electrons are forced off atoms. Hydrogen transforms into a strange, glowing state known as metallic liquid hydrogen. Imagine an endless, scorching hot ocean that flows like liquid mercury. This bizarre metallic ocean conducts electricity and flows continuously. It makes up the vast majority of the planet's interior mass. Temperatures here soar hotter than the bright surface of the sun. It is an alien environment so hostile that conventional physics reaches its limit. Jupiter is 2.5 times more massive than all other planets. Its immense gravity bends space-time like a heavy weight on a sheet. Any stray object passing nearby gets caught in its inescapable gravitational grasp. Comets and asteroids flying through space are drawn into chaotic collision courses. Jupiter acts like a giant gravitational vacuum cleaner wandering the solar system. While it protects Earth from space rocks, it also redirects rogue asteroids. Rogue asteroids are sent into unpredictable, dangerous orbits across the solar system. If an object enters Jupiter's influence, escape requires extreme orbital energy. It dominates the surrounding cosmic space with absolute gravitational authority. The danger of Jupiter begins long before you touch its thick atmosphere. Powered by the churning metallic ocean, Jupiter generates a staggering magnetic field. This field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic protective bubble. It stretches millions of miles, trapping charged particles near the speed of light. This creates an invisible ring of extreme, deadly radiation surrounding the planet.
Passing through this radiation zone would fry electronics and human technology instantly.
NASA spacecraft must wear heavy titanium armor to survive flying past it. It is a massive, invisible force field that repels intruders with silent radiation. No human or machine can withstand this unseen energetic bombardment for long. Jupiter's weather systems make Earth's most severe hurricanes look like gentle breezes. The famous Great Red Spot is a giant anticyclonic storm raging for centuries. This single storm is so enormous that our entire Earth fits inside. Winds along the outer edge of this tempest reach 400 miles hourly. But the Great Red Spot is not the only monster roaming here. Thousands of smaller, hyper-fast jets swirl across the northern and southern belts. Deep within these dense clouds, super lightning strikes with terrifying frequency. These electrical flashes are up to 1,000 times more powerful than Earth's. The violent flashes illuminate entire cloud decks, creating spectacular, frightening nights. The atmosphere is an endless, chaotic battlefield of wind, storm, and electricity. The cosmic horror extends far beyond the gas giant to its moons. Jupiter commands an army of over 90 known natural satellites in orbit. Its gravitational tidal forces constantly squeeze nearby worlds like rubber toys. Take Io, Jupiter's innermost large moon, trapped in an intense gravitational war. This constant tidal flex heats Io's interior, turning it volcanic. Hundreds of active volcanoes spew towering plumes of sulfur high into deep space. Meanwhile, icy worlds like Europa hide pitch-black subsurface oceans under ice. Jupiter dominates these moons, subjecting them to extreme radiation and gravity. Every second, these satellite worlds are shaped by the giant's violent grip. Space agencies have spent decades attempting to unlock the secrets of Jupiter.
Every spacecraft sent to study this giant must be engineered for survival.
Electronics are shielded behind thick vault walls to prevent heavy radiation damage. Trajectories are carefully calculated to minimize time spent in dangerous radiation belts. Probes sent directly into the deep atmospheric layers are destroyed quickly. Most automated explorers are flattened and melted in less than an hour. Even our most advanced robotic systems are fragile insects against Jupiter's scale. It stands as a monument to the harsh and unyielding deep space. Jupiter reminds us that the universe is not built for human comfort. It is a masterclass in cosmic power, pressure, and endless storms. It protects our inner solar system while presenting a deadly environment. Beneath its majestic, swirling clouds lies a chaotic world, defying human imagination. It is breathtakingly beautiful from afar, yet unimaginably terrifying up close. Jupiter remains the ultimate symbol of wild, untamed cosmic majesty. A majestic world where physics creates continuous art through extreme destruction. As we continue to explore deep space, Jupiter will always stand guard. A glowing, silent reminder of how mysterious and dangerous our universe is. Thank you for watching our journey into the wild depths of Jupiter. If you enjoyed uncovering space mysteries, please like and subscribe for more. What part of Jupiter terrifies you the most in our solar system? Share your thoughts below and join us in the comments section. Keep looking at the stars and respect the terrifying power of space.